Hello, hello, mathematicians. I have the hiccups. Bear with me. As you can guess, today we are going to be counting and writing the new number 8. I think 8 is one of the trickiest, if not the trickiest numbers to write. So be patient with yourself. Be kind. Remember, tell yourself, it's okay. I'm just learning. If 8 doesn't look exactly like you want it to in the beginning, no biggie, right? Okay. So before we do that, we have a new book somewhere in your packet. I think you may have a book called Bugs, Bugs, Bugs. So let's give it a try. Hold on. Bear with me. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I'm thinking there's going to be bugs in here. What do you think? And this one has trickier words. There are 8 bees. Ready? There are 8 bees. You got your pointer power? Oh, and then it switches. Not even a pattern. The ladybug has 8 spots. The ladybug has 8 spots. Bugs are fun. Bugs are fun. Yeah. So you can read it again on your own if you'd like to. You don't have to. And we are going to learn how to write the number 8. You should have a number 8 that looks just like mine. All right, now I know it says words at the bottom. I think I say a version of these words, but not all the right way. So I'm not going to look at them so that I'll say what I naturally say and don't mess you up later, okay? All right, so we start at the star and we say, make an S. See that S? But do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. Oh, go back. See, I knew I said it a little bit differently. Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. All right, one more time with our fingers. Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. All right, today for math, you're going to need workbook pages 100. Oh, back it up. 127, 128, 129, 130. I'm going to put my name here on top. All right, and I bet you can guess. We're going to use our counters to show how many spots were on the ladybug in our book. How many spots were there? There were 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. All right, and then down here we're going to write our very best. We're going to give it a try. Make an S. See that S? But do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. Tricky, right? I know it's easier. Some of you may have learned to write 8 like this. 2 circles. For right now, we're going to practice this one, even if it's a little bit harder, okay? Because this is the one we're going to learn to do. And that's the one their first grade teachers are going to want you to know how to do. All right. Oh, man. This whole book's going to be on bugs. I don't know if Mrs. Bjorkman told you, but Mrs. Torres, not a fan of bugs, especially not spiders. So I'm very happy to say we got to cover them up first. I'm sorry, Nelson. I know you love spiders. Not my thing. We got to cover up these spiders. Let's make them disappear for Mrs. Torres. Lizards, frogs, I can get behind any of those creatures. Something about spiders. All right. Covered them all up. Do we have to uncover them? I don't want to uncover them, please. All right. Slide and count. 1, Yeeky spider. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, then we're going to practice. Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. Oh, I stayed right on those tracks. And they give us some more to practice here. Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. Ooh, that wasn't a good one. I would have stopped looking at the dots. Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. Now, you can see mine aren't turning out perfect. It's okay. We're just practicing, right? Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. Better. Mrs. Torres likes to get as many practices in as she can. All right, next. Oh, good gracious me. Are those millipedes? It's a lot of legs. Let's cover them up. 1. Okay, cover them up. Oh, even our little cubes are getting a little bit snug on these little tiny creatures, huh? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here we go. Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. Remember, if at any point I go too fast, because I don't have you here next to me, which makes it hard for me to know, just press pause. And I apologize if I went too fast. When you're done covering and counting and writing your 8 for the millipedes, let's try the praying mantis before I move on. At first I thought it was a grasshopper, but then I saw the arms. Well, you know what I mean. The front leg. Okay, we're going to cover up. All right, ready to slide and count? 1, 2, 3. Looks like a clock. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S, but do not stop. It's an 8 at the top. All right. Sorry if I'm rushing. I didn't mean to. I get excited. Your turn. Cover, count, write. Cover, count, write. Cover, count, write. Cover, count, write. Be careful. They like to throw in 1 or 2 to trick you. And then, whoo, look at that colorful insect page. Oh, this one makes my heart happy. Love all those bright colors. All right, you're going to cover the butterflies, count, write how many. Cover the honeybees, count, write how many. Cover the ladybugs, careful, they're tiny. Count, write how many. Cover the snails. Oh, careful. They tried to hide insects. So be careful when you cover and count, okay? Cover, count, write. I can't wait to see some awesome math work. Off you go.